Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Meghalaya gets approval for establishment of first government engineering college. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announces major research initiative to trace the origins of Meghalaya's tribal communities. Education Minister distributes appointment letters to professors of Captain Williamson Sangma State University. And illegal mining driven by necessity, not choice, says Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kirman Shilla. The news in detail. In a significant milestone for technical education, the All India Council for Technical Education has granted official approval for the establishment of Shillong Government College of Engineering, the state's first government engineering institution. The new institution will be set up at Maulai Kinton Masar in East Khasi Hills district and will be academically affiliated with North Eastern Hill University, and it will offer undergraduate programs in civil and electrical engineering, starting with an intake of 30 students per program in the 2025-26 session. 10% of seats will be reserved for economically weaker sections.
We have been wanting to activate and start the courses in the Shillong Engineering College, and the affiliation was one big hurdle for us because the requirements are quite difficult, tough, and a lot of work has to be done, and obviously things were getting delayed. But now that we have got the recognition, we would like to thank all the agencies that have helped us to do that. I congratulate the minister and the officials who have worked very hard to do this, and we're hopeful that the engineering courses will be able to start from this academic year itself. So we are going to work very hard.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today announced a major research initiative to trace the origins of Meghalaya's tribal communities. A team under the Department of Arts and Culture will conduct studies in India and abroad, with plans to be finalized within 2 to 3 months. The announcement came during the seminar, His Footprints in Time, Trailblazers of Meghalaya in the Making of Modern India, part of Synod College Diamond Jubilee celebrations. The Chief Minister also urged students to explore historical literature to deepen their understanding and identity.
I'm also very keen to ensure that we are able to support researchers even in terms of making trips and research programs where they may need to travel to different parts of the country or different parts of the world to even figure out the roots and the backgrounds of our different tribes in our state and do more deep research on that. And that's something that I've been working on. Hopefully, maybe in a few months' time, we'll be able to come up with a very detailed program.
Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma today distributed appointment letters to 37 newly appointed professors of Captain Williamson Sangma State University. The contractual appointments, valid for 6 months, were handed over at a ceremony held at DERT premises in Malki. Speaking at the event, Sangma emphasized the importance of blending experience with fresh perspectives in academia, calling it a boost to the university's academic growth and operational progress.
English. Department of English. Dr. Chintu Sanju B. Mara, Department of Anthropology.
The curriculum, the syllabus, and all things that is the testimony, that will be the testimony of our state. So therefore, as you design the curriculum, there are curriculum structure, conceptual, objective, and the outcome and the result.
Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kirmen Shilla said the introduction of scientific coal mining in Meghalaya will significantly reduce illegal mining activities. Speaking to the media, Shilla said that most people turn to illegal mining out of necessity, not choice. He expressed pride in the MDA government's effort to launch scientific mining, which he said will protect the environment and ensure safer working conditions.
Actually, nobody wants to have this illegal thing in any business, even in coal or all kind of business. No illegalities, and nobody enjoy that. It's just they don't have any other option. Lucky to say, lucky to hear, and it's good to, really proud to say that in this government, the MDA1 and MDA2, we got this opportunity where we can see that scientific mining now we have started. And we believe this will be the benefit for our people. And people will love to do scientifically so that to protect the environment, protect the life of the people, especially the labor.
Cabinet Minister and UDP MLA from Clarion, Kirmen Shilla, said the proposed railway project in East Janta Hills should be decided through a public hearing. He said that it is not on him or anyone else to decide, but let the people choose, emphasizing that the government must respect public opinion. He added that if the majority supports the project, all stakeholders, including NGOs and communities, should back it. If the public opposes it, the project should be shelved.
People knows very well what is a good trains and what is a passenger carrier trains. So it's just that I don't know where we went wrong, and then why the people are against and why they are in favor also, we don't know yet. But I believe one day we will have one platform, since now the government has taken this initiative, and let's give a chance to the public to decide. That's all we want.
While the VPP and Congress have already opted out, the United Democratic Party remains undecided on joining the all-party committee on the proposed railway project in Meghalaya. UDP leader and KHADC opposition leader Tito Starwell Khan said the party currently opposes the project due to the lack of mechanism to check influx. He added that the UDP will soon meet to decide its official stance on participating in the committee.
We will decide as a party. We cannot decide the president or the working president or the general secretary alone regarding this issue to attend. You mean to say that we will attend or not the all-party meeting, right?
Part of it or not?
Yeah, we'll be a part of it. That will be decided in the next meeting. Our stand till today, we still oppose railway line. But to be a part of any meeting, to be a part of any across-table meeting, I think the party will consider it.
South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai today inaugurated a new traffic police booth and public urinal at Red Cross Laban, built at a cost of 6.3 lakh rupees, aimed to address both traffic management and public sanitation needs in the area. SP Traffic K. Prasad said the booth will aid in regulating vehicle flow. Shulai also shared plans to replicate this initiative in Batti Bazaar by setting up a similar booth and urinal to better serve the local community.
Hand over this lock and key to Honorable SP, and from today, with the blessing of God, we have all 60 MLA. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs. In the form of this specially grant, and through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police booth for the interest of the police, the traffic department, and for the interest of the general public.
The Jaintia Students' Union Central Body has demanded that Joai be declared the summer capital of Meghalaya if Tura is designated as the winter capital. Speaking to the media, JSU General Secretary Neil Ki Mukim stressed the need for equal treatment of the state's three major indigenous communities, Jaintias, Khasis and Garos. The union cited underdevelopment in the Jaintia Hills and warned that exclusion from seasonal capital status would lead to public protests and agitations.
Lada kini artrait Khasi kadon capital city jongi. Tigaru kidon lada kiyo ya kata kapital. Ngipat ki Jaintia ngin sadik. Tidak kata kadau ke bagan orang mengiying bangin dawan no ya ka somat kapital kenang ba nginyo lang kajuk ke development umbayo kini perlu garu bat Khasi. Bat lada government ka ai bintar kapital ya ketura bat kimla bat ai somat kapital ya ka Jaintia ngin yang jong ke Jaintia student union ngin penrong ke jingki ke bajur.
Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo marked World No Tobacco Day with a public awareness rally and educational program highlighting the dangers of tobacco use. Students marched through the town carrying banners and chanting anti-tobacco slogans. Speaking at the event, Principal W.K. Blah stressed the importance of educating youth and the community about the physical and mental harm caused by tobacco, urging all to say no to harmful substances.
Today we are celebrating a big round of applause and abstention. Stop tobacco! Stop tobacco! Stop tobacco!
Say no to tobacco!
Martin Luther Christian University has announced the launch of a 5-year integrated undergraduate program for the 2025-26 academic year. Registrar of the university, Dr. Yadonlang Tinsong, shared that the program offers an alternative academic pathway for Class 10 graduates aiming to enhance student progress. The university also unveiled new undergraduate and diploma courses for the upcoming session, reflecting its commitment to innovation and inclusive education. Nongkrem Government Upper Primary School marked its 75th anniversary, celebrating its Diamond Jubilee since its founding in 1950. Addressing the event, Nongkrem MLA Arden Miller Basayomod highlighted the evolving role of education, emphasizing the holistic approach of the new education policy that integrates academic skills and physical education. The event honored the school's long-standing commitment to education and its significant contribution to the community's development. The weather report. First, let us take a quick look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was 24 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 28 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 95%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature was 14 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius and relative humidity was 70%. Rainfall was recorded at 0.3 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 24 degrees Celsius and relative humidity was 83%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and July says that light to moderate rain is likely to occur at most places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Meghalaya gets approval for establishment of first government engineering college. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announces major research initiative to trace origins of Meghalaya's tribal communities. Education Minister distributes appointment letters to professors of Captain Williamson Sangma State University. And illegal mining driven by necessity, not choice, says Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kermen Shilla. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.